Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a strong data analyst portfolio is essential for showcasing your skills and attracting potential employers. A well-structured portfolio demonstrates your ability to analyze data, derive insights, and communicate findings effectively. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to build a perfect data analyst portfolio quickly, along with code examples. Step 1. Define your portfolio structure. Your portfolio should have the following sections. 1. Introduction, a brief introduction about yourself, your background, and your objectives. 2. Projects, a showcase of your best projects. 3. Skills, a list of relevant skills and tools. 4. Resume, a downloadable version of your resume. 5. Contact information, how to reach you. Step 2. Choose a platform. You can create your portfolio using GitHub Pages, for a tech-savvy approach. Medium, for a blogging format. Tableau Public, for data visualization. Personal website, using services like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. Step 3. Select your projects. Choose 3 to 5 projects that demonstrate a range of skills. Here are some project ideas. 1. Exploratory data analysis, EDA, analyze a public data set. 2. Data visualization, create interactive visualizations using libraries like Matplotlib or Plotly. 3. Predictive modeling, build a simple machine learning model. 4. Data cleaning, show how you cleaned and transformed messy data. 5. Dashboard creation, build a dashboard using Tableau or Power BI. Step 4. Create project documentation. For each project, include project title. Objective, what was the goal? Data, where did the data come from? Methodology, briefly describe your approach. Code, include relevant code snippets. Results, share insights and visualizations. Conclusion, reflect on what you learned. Step 5, example code snippet. Let's create a simple EDA project using Python and Pandas. Assume we're using the famous Titanic dataset. 1. Load the data. Python. Import pandas as PD. Load the Titanic dataset. URL equals https://raw.github/datascience-demo/titanic/master/train.csv. Data equals PD read_CSV, URL. 2. Data cleaning. Python. Check for missing values. Missing underscore values equals data.is null, .sum. Fill missing age values with the median. Data age.fillNA, data age.median, in place equals true. Drop the cabin column due to too many missing values. Data.drop, columns equals cabin, in place equals true. Drop rows with missing embarked values. Data.drawNA, subset equals embarked, in place equals true. 3. Exploratory data analysis. Python. Basic statistics. Statistics equals data.describe. Count of survivors. Survivor underscore count equals data survived value underscore counts. Visualization. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Import seaborn as SNS. SNS.countplot, x equals survived, data equals data. Plt.title, survivors count. Plt.show. 4. Insights. Markdown. Insight 1, a higher percentage of females survived compared to males. Insight 2, passengers in first class had a higher survival rate. Step 6, Build your website. You can use HTML/CSS or a website builder to create your portfolio. Here is a simple HTML structure. HTML. Doc type HTML. HTML lang equals n. Head. Meta charset equals UTF-8. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0. Title your name, Data Analyst Portfolio /title. /head. Body. Header. H1 your name /H1. P Data Analyst your objective /P. /header. Section ID equals projects. H2 projects /H2. ul. Li. H3 Titanic EDA /H3. P a comprehensive exploratory analysis of the Titanic dataset /P. A href equals link _to _your project _notebook view project /a. /li. Dash add more projects dash. /ul. /section. Section ID equals skills. H2 skills /H2. ul. Li Python /li. Li Pandas /li. Li Matplotlib /li. Li SQL /li. Li Tableau /li. /ul. /section. Footer. H2 contact /H2. P email, your .email at example.com /p. P a href equals link _to _resume download resume /a/p. /footer. /body. /html. Step 7, deploy your portfolio. If using GitHub Pages, push your HTML code to a GitHub repository and enable GitHub Pages. For other platforms, follow their deployment guides. Step 8, share and update regularly. Share your portfolio on LinkedIn, Twitter, and job applications. Keep it updated with new projects, skills, and experiences. Conclusion. Creating a data analyst portfolio can be a structured and efficient process. Focus on quality over quantity and ensure each project showcases your analytical skills and thought process. Good luck.